Noteland? Where is that?
I think it is wherever there is music.
Maybe everything in Noteland is made of notes.
When I give a long, gentle blow, out comes a bubble. What is this? Oh, look! I'm floating away in a bubble. And look, Casper too. When I blow gently and longer on the recorder, out comes a music note. For this note, we have to count up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 in our heads and then stop blowing. It is called a whole note, just like a whole cake. If we add a handle to the note, the whole note, we can swing it from side to side like a bell. Swing, swing, or like the clapper, the little tongue inside the bell. When we swing the bell, the clapper inside the bell also swings from side to side. Ding, dong. The ding, if we say it, counts 1, 2. So we call this a half note because it is only half as long as the whole note. Ding, dong, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we take the half note and color it in. And we have something that looks like a hockey stick, or a golf club, or maybe like Casper's legs. But this is only one leg. If we have only one leg, like for example the monopods. Have you ever read the stories about Narnia? Or maybe even watched the movie The Voyage of the Dawn Treader? Here I have one of the books out of my bookshelf, The Voyage of the Dawn Treader. And in this book, they talk about little people who are called monopods. And they look like this. As you can see, they only have one leg. If you had only one leg, how would you move about? I guess you would also go hop, 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 just like the monopods. Now we can use these words to help us remember how long the notes are. For example, the colored in hop note would be hop, 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 hop. We can clap it as well while we say hop, 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 hop. Or, if you remember the owl, you can say too, 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 too. And if you play them on your recorder, you would go if we have this group of notes, we can say hop, hop, dong. And if we were the owl, we could go too, too, too. And on the recorder, we would play